This is one of those dishes that makes people say, wait, what's in this? Slow cooker pineapple casserole is a sweet, savory vintage recipe that's completely addictive. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today I'm showing you how to make slow cooker pineapple casserole, a unique side dish recipe that I got from a lady at church. And it's sweet, savory, perfect for the holidays or potlucks. Now, to make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you head there and grab it. Okay, so to get started on our pineapple casserole, I have my slow cooker. I like to use slow cooker liners when I'm cooking in my slow cooker. Just makes cleanup a little bit easier. So I have it lined with my slow cooker liner. So to this, I'm going to add a couple cups of granulated sugar. It's a lot of sugar, I know. And then to that, I'm going to add 3 eggs. So 1, 2, and 3. To our eggs, I'm going to add some melted butter. I've melted it and it is cooled because we don't want to scramble our eggs. And we're going to add some milk. So now I'm going to just get this all whisked together, just until that sugar starts to dissolve, the eggs get scrambled up in there. Come on. And everything becomes one. You don't have to worry about it too much because it will cook together as it's going along there. All right. Now, because this has so much sweetness in it, I'm actually going to add just a little bit of salt. The salt won't make it salty, but it will just start to break up that cloyingly sweetness from the sugar and the pineapple. Next up, we are going to add some bread cubes. Now, I took 3 slices of No, I didn't. I took 8 slices of plain white bread and I cut the crusts off them and cut them into cubes. So in they go. And then to this, we are going to add a can of crushed pineapple that I've drained. And in that goes. Now we're going to get this all mixed together. And that is it. I know it seems bizarre if you've never had this, but I had it at a church potluck and I just had to grab the recipe before I left. It's one of those dishes. Okay, this is looking good. That's all there is to it. I'm going to pop the lid on this, turn it on. In a couple hours, we are gonna come back and taste it. And just look at this. Oh. Everything comes ooey gooey delicious. And that golden crispy edge I see here, that is going to be the part my family fights over. Now, you'd never guess something this easy tastes this good. Now here's a tip. You can swap in some brown sugar for some of the white sugar, or add a pinch of cayenne for just a little kick. And this dish holds up great on a buffet table, so it is perfect for entertaining. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get some dished up so I can go in for a taste. All right, I'm just gonna scoop some here. Just look at how, oh yeah, I'm going in. I know the ingredients seem weird. Oh, it is so good. Is it a side dish? Is it a dessert? I don't know, but it doesn't really matter because it is totally delicious. This would be the perfect side for ham. This slow cooker pineapple casserole is definitely a keeper. It's different in the best way, and it always has people asking for the recipe, like me. I was the person asking for the recipe. Now make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you love easy holiday sides like this, you've got to check out my praline sweet potato crunch casserole. It's just as easy and just as delicious. Click here and I will meet you over there.